everyone, this is Linux Gamer Alpha. I'm going to show you how to set up for Linux gaming. It's not that hard, anyone can do it. If you can download the iOS file, Linux files, you can game on Linux. If you can set up Etcher and create a bootable image on a USB, you can game on Linux. If you can get on the BIOS, go to the disable secure boot and change the boot order to the USB, you can game on Linux. If you can dot a wrench, you can game on Linux. It is simple, easy, anyone can do it. And I'm going to show you how to do it. As of right now, I created a virtual box of Pop! OS. I'm going to show you all the sites you need to set it up for Linux gaming, and it will not take you that long. First of all, we're going to go on to Firefox. The first thing you should ever do when you install Linux is to update your system, no matter what. We're not going to update this because it's a virtual box and I don't have it installed. So it shouldn't be any problems. So you can actually open up Firefox. You don't even have to have this web browser. You can actually go to any browser you want to download. They have a pop shop. You can go with Firefox. You can go with Google Chrome. Whatever you want to do. Hey, you can even download Edge if you want on Linux. If you really want to. And now, as of right now, I'm going to go to Google, search, right here, yes, come on, a little slow, but fine, perfectly fine. And now we're going to go over and download Vulkan for Linux. No, not that Vulkan, but, but different kind of Vulkan. That kind of Vulkan. Yes, that Vulkan. So first, we go to Google search, and we're going to go with Vulkan. E-N-O-N-U. Here it is. Vulkan on Linux. And it goes to the website to linuxconfigs.org. And now, whatever graphics card you're using, you can go over and download Vulkan onto that. So if you have, and this will show you how to do it on any Linux distro. Debian, Ubuntu. Oh wow, this is getting slow. Fedora, any kind of one. As of right now. And it will do any AMD and NVIDIA. As of right now, we do not have it for Intel because Intel hasn't come out yet. But it should be coming out anytime now. Hopefully. And hopefully it'll be good. So, come on. There it is. So all you gotta do is what is... Hold on one second. Did it froze? Okay, now we're back. Apparently just needed more RAM for some reason. But fine. 3 gigs of RAM it takes. Anyways, all you gotta do is copy this. Then we go into the terminal, and then we just paste it and hit enter. As right now, it won't do anything because it's not on a virtual box, but yes, that's all you have to do is copy and paste it, and it'll just do all that instantly. But yes, that would be just the easy part right there. Now, the next thing we're going to do is set up your gaming. And this one's also pretty easy too. So we go back to Google. Have to get out of here. Wow, it is. Right. I'll take you to the site in just a moment. Okay, now we're back. Apparently just needed more RAM for some reason. But fine. 3 gigs of RAM it takes. Anyways, all we gotta do is copy this. Then we go into the terminal. And then we just paste it and hit enter. As right now, it won't do anything because it's not on a virtual box. But yes, that's all you have to do is copy and paste it, and it'll just do all that instantly. But yes, that would be just the easy part right there. Now, the next thing we're going to do is set up your gaming. And this one's also pretty easy too. So we go back to Google. Have to get out of here. Wow, it is. I'll take you to the site in just a moment. Okay, so all you have to do is go into Libre Gaming, and we'll take you to this site right here. This is a GitHub site, and it will tell you exactly how to go over and set up for gaming. They even now have a new one now where they actually have a graphical part. The first thing you always have to do, if you have any of these distros, Ubuntu and stuff, you have to make sure you have your dependencies. So you just copy and paste that. And then you have to install Python 3 and Python 3 pip. Now, a lot of Linux distros do have Python 3, but they don't have like Python 3 pip. But that's okay. You can just reinstall that, and it just tells you off saying yes, it's already installed. So you just do copy and paste that, copy and paste that. Then they have a new one now. They call the Libre Gaming Qt. Now, they just released that one. So it's not on any of the like Flatpak or FlatHub, but I think that it will be coming out pretty soon. So what it does is it creates an interface. You can download. Oh, it's an app image. Oh, cool. Okay, this is just new. Okay. Wow. So what you can do, it's going to install all your stuff for gaming. It will install your Steam, Lutris, Wine, Bottles, Proton, everything you need for Linux gaming. Once you got that all set, and it's just one button hit. You even have a terminal version, which terminal version's easy, just copy and paste. And now I'm probably hearing all the Windows people going over and saying, "Oh, great! You have to use the terminal to go over and download all your stuff." That's like from 1970s or 80s. It's like, yeah, it was pain in the ass back in late 70s, early 80s, when you had to go over and travel to a library and look for a book for DOS and find all the commands and stuff. Well, we have this new technology. It's called the internet. And they have this new kind of system called web browsers, where you can open up the web browser and go into search engines, and you can use search engine to find the command on your terminal. And when you have to type it in, but there's also another thing. You might need a degree on this because you might brick your system, that you can copy and paste it on your terminal. I know, right? Do remember, you're going to need a degree on that, because that's going to brick your system. But anyways, since we have all this, I'm going to show you some games and how easy it runs. So I will be right back. As you can see, it works pretty well. I was getting like 200 frames per second, but I think because of OBS, it's slowing it down. But that's okay. You can tell that anyone can actually game on Linux. This is the Doom internal, running off a Ryzen 5, the first edition, 6-core with a 3.5 megahertz, I believe, 16 gigs of RAM on a AMD 6600. You can tell it's actually running pretty well. So, on this channel, I'm going to probably tell you some news, let's plays, and where am I going to go here? To show you that anyone can game on Linux. Anyone can. Where am I supposed to go here? Anyways, so stay tuned if you guys like my channel. Subscribe. I can't even think when I'm doing this. Subscribe, leave a comment, think how much you think things you want to do. I could probably do some news, tech news, and anything I could do to show you that Linux gaming actually works, and you don't need Windows. So I'll see you next time. Maybe we'll do maybe I'll go over and do a Let's Play. Haven't decided what game yet. Thank you, and goodbye.